If you are looking for a website that can remove any background for you for free, then keep on watching this video. What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. If today is your first time on this channel, my name is Ernest. In this video, I'm going to teach you step by step on how to remove any image background for free using Canva. If today is your first time hearing of Canva, Canva is a powerful online platform that helps you design all your social media posts. I personally use it every day as a YouTuber. I use Canva for my YouTube thumbnails, YouTube videos, and other online stuff. If you want to know more about Canva, I will leave a video link in the description and also leave it on the screen. Learn more about Canva. You can use Canva on your mobile devices, tablets, and computer. Without wasting much of your time, if you see value in this video, give me a thumbs up, share this video out, and tell a friend about this channel. Alright, sign into your Canva account and let's get started. Before I start this video, let me make it clear to you guys. This background remover feature is only available for Canva Pro users. This means that if you are using a free account, you can't get access to use this feature. It's very simple. So I have 30 days Canva Pro, link in the description box below. You can start your Canva Pro trial today. With some obvious reason, I'm designing a channel banner, so I want to use this as a case study to show you how you can simply remove your image background. So this is the banner that I'm working on. I have these images on the banner, so I'm going to show you how you can simply remove this background of these images. So let's scroll down. So this is the banner that we are going to work on. So I'm going to add the images on this banner. So now I have these two images that I want to remove the background of each image. So to do that, you tap on the image that you want to remove the background and go to the toolbar and type on edit image. It will bring you this dialog box, so you can see background remover. You click on it and automatically the image background will remove by itself. So let's see how magical Canva is. It has successfully removed the background nicely. So you go ahead and adjust the image the way you want it to be, whether you are designing a YouTube thumbnail, Instagram post, or any design at all. This is the same procedure that you are going to use. So let's do the second one. I will again tap on the image and go to edit image and tap on background remover. You see how powerful Canva is. The outcome is very fantastic and amazing. I also have another image that I want us to also try that one. This one. So I'll bring it on top of the banner and go to edit image, background remover. So nicely, this one too has successfully removed. But let's zoom in and see something. You can see that the hair has popped out. So I'm going to show you how you can work on that one too. So again, you click on the image and go to edit image and go to background remover. On your left hand side, you will see erase and restore. So this means that if you want to erase something on the image, you tap on erase. If you want to restore something on the image, you click on the restore. So let me show you how it works. If I want to erase something, I will just click on the erase. You can decrease the size or reduce the size. It all depends on what you are going to erase. So this, I'm going to use a small size to do that. So you can see this is how simple you can erase something. So if I want to restore where I erase, I will just go like this, and again it will restore. This is how simple you can erase and restore. So let's go to the erase. After everything, you check and see if everything is okay. Because I'm not going to use all the image, let me clean this part. So after it, then you click on done and go to apply. Before you continue your design, wait until you see this restore original. So that is how simple you can do it. Let's rearrange our image like this. I hope you enjoy watching this video and you have learned a lot in this video. If you do, give me a thumbs up, subscribe to this channel and turn on post notifications for any future updates. Peace out.